somewhere on his torso. He showed it off in one video. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. All right, so I have in the past made a number of cups for a number of other YouTube creators of whom I am a fan of their work, of their channel, of their artistic ability, of their know-how. There are a lot of different reasons why I like a channel and why I follow a channel, and ultimately why I feel compelled to make them a Tumbler. It's kind of what I do when I'm really bored. Kidding, I'm kidding. Anyway, I have made Tumblers for a number of YouTube creators. I have made Tumblers for Macy Savannah, for Jack Selby, for Graham Stephan. I've also made a Tumbler for Hagar, the bass player who's in the band of The Late Late Show with James Corden. So yeah, when the mood strikes me, it strikes me. I've also made a couple cups for Anthony Crammon.
I don't know who it is, but it's someone, and it's someone I'm obsessed with.
Not that he'll ever get them, but I've made them. I feel compelled sometimes, you know? There's his other one that I made a while ago. It's one of these F everything ones that I love so much. So today's lucky YouTube creator, who has no idea I'm doing this, is Brad Evans. I started watching his channel. I'm not even sure why. I'm not sure why YouTube algorithm recommended his channel to me. The very first video of his I watched was a Halloween costume modeling vlog sort of thing. And it was funny. And of course, once you watch one thing by one specific creator or from one specific channel, YouTube begins throwing everything from that creator or that channel at you, hoping something else will stick. And I started watching his reaction videos. He does reaction videos to movies and TV programs, Twilight, Shrek, RuPaul's Drag Race, a number of different things that I personally enjoy. Wednesday was a recent one, and Stranger Things. He was almost as devastated by what happened to season 4 as I was. Turns out he's an artist. He's a dancer, he's an artist, and he's a YouTuber. And he occasionally shows this one piece of art that he has hanging up in his apartment that I absolutely love. I mean, I would love to own this. He's keeping it because it also, I think, is his favorite piece he's done, but he's done a lot of others as well. And occasionally he teases with saying he's going to start doing art videos. So I thought, well, all right, then he needs a Tumbler to go with. So that's what we're going to do today. This is going to be very simple. I have a 30 skinny straight. I painted it white. I put a layer of resin on it with 504 glitter in it, just a little bit. So it's a white sparkly tumbler, white being optimal for water slides, and we are going to put this on his tumbler. This is going to diagonally curl around the tumbler. I thought it might be easier to handle in 2 pieces anyway, so I went ahead and did it in Design Space, and then we're going to piece it together on the tumbler. So I printed these on my Canon Pixma inkjet printer. I printed them onto my favorite Hippo, H-I-I-P-O-O, water slide decal paper, and I sealed it with plastic glossifier and a couple layers of Rust-Oleum Gloss Clear Spray. Start by getting the cup wet because it's easier to move this around, and I have a feeling I'm going to have to move it around some to get the placement right. Okay, so this one starts at the top. That. Wet your squeegee first. It won't drag and possibly tear the graphic or the water slide. And then use it to get out all the wrinkles and the bubbles. And get your water slide to lie flat. It is absolutely stunning. He said he was going to do a video on making this piece when he was actually painting it. And I think time got away from him and he decided not to do that. He just wanted to work on the painting and not worry about time constraints or narration or anything. But hopefully he will do art videos in the future. I really hope so. I'm going to put this aside, let it dry thoroughly, and then we'll put some more resin over it. And we're back. Okay, this has a layer of resin on it. I did put a little bit of 504 into it. I wanted to show you how pretty it looks. I just think this is gorgeous. I hope he's gonna like it. We'll find out. Also wanted to show you that he starts all of his videos by saying, "Hi." So I put a little hi on the bottom. This is going to England. It will take a month-ish. Shipping times don't seem to be quite as bad now as they were last year, but I'm not going to save this video for that. Nothing may happen. He may get it and think it's garbage and throw it away. I don't know.
This came this morning and oh my God, I was gagged. So Cindy, if you're watching, wow.
But whatever happens, I will update you probably in my community page. But I wanted to show it to you inside first, and now we will go do the sunshine shot. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video, but don't go away.
And it's got fucking glitter, because, you know, gay.